Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Autocad software, and this lecture is a 43, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and this is a Polygon command is discussed here, and this is a drawing a 2D geometry and convert a 3D solid. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, at first going to 2D geometry is this XY coordinate system, and this is a 2D wireframe, and top plane is a drawing this geometry. Okay, and any is this a setting here, right click, and this is all is a check here, and this and all point is this is perfect and correct, and this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect drawing here, and going to this use a polygon, and polygon is very important, and create an equilateral closed polygon, and this use a two circle is very important, and then this use this a body is a circle is outside and circle is inside. Okay, and at first click here this command, and polygon enter number of sides 6. Okay, and specify enter of polygon edge is 6, also 6 edge. Okay, and circle is option is inscribe in circle and circumscribe about circle about. Okay, and in circle some inscribe in circle, a circle is a drawing here, this inscribe, and this is circle is drawing here about a circle. Okay, okay, and click here this inscribe circle, and this is a this part is this. Okay, and again select this polygon and 6 side. Okay, and 6 edge, and circle about this. Okay, this is a this. Okay, and this is a 2D a geometry is a drawing here. Okay, and this geometry is a perfect. Okay, and again select this 6 and 6. Okay, and inscribe circle is this connect to. Okay, and okay, and click here this 6. Okay, and this is a not select here this edge. Okay, this is a 0, and inscribe circle. Okay, this is a okay. Okay, press pull is click here, and one by one is this. Okay, and at first select this sum. This use a 2D geometry and convert a 3D model, and at first use this is a shaded with edge. Click here, and going to this isometric AC isometric is this. Okay, and SW isometric is also perfect. Okay, this is a better, and this is a world. Okay, all is this is a convert a 3D geometry, and use this press pull this bigger, and this is a use okay, and this is a select here a small hexagon is at first select here. Okay, and then bigger hexagon is select here. Okay, okay, and hexagon is this circle is drawing here this circle, and hexagon is this hexagon is a 6. Okay, and 6 edge, and about circle is drawing here this. Okay, and and select a press pull this circle and drawing a this. Okay, and okay, and again select this, going to this shape, and this color is also change here, and this red color, and escape is a click here, and this color is also this is a pink, this is a pink color, and this color is also change here, this a green color, and this color is also change here, this is a okay, blue color is better. Okay, this is a this. Okay, and use a okay, and this use a polygon command is learn here one by one. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.